Hello and welcome to Luscombe Motors, a walk around video Mitsubishi Eclipse 4 that we have. This Eclipse 4, amethyst black. It's top of the range, this one, so basically it's four-wheel drive and automatic. It's in a beautiful amethyst black, which looks beautiful when it's all clean. Eclipse has been with us about 24 months now. A bit of an unsung hero for us. We've done quite a few of these. But being the Ford, it's got every mere mortal thing in it. You've got the front and back parking sensors, 360-degree camera, glass sunroof that opens as well on this one, like a panoramic roof. Built-in Sub-Woofer. There's your boot. That's your built-in speaker there. Really nice stereo in this. 650 watts of stereo sound on this one. As of all Mitsubishis, they come with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty from new. So there's nothing to worry about in that aspect. You've also got 3 years breakdown cover. Obviously this being a 1919. So your manufacturer warranted up till 2024. You've got quite a lot of safety features inside. Once we get inside, you've got adaptive cruise control on this one. You've also got normal cruise control. You've got lane departure, front collision mitigation, which won't stop you having an accident, but you'll have a nicer one. You've got all the 4 electric window switches there. And then you've got the electric mirrors, which also retract when you open and close it. Just jump inside. As you can see, all the full leather interior. You've got the glass roof, which opens. You've got 2 roofs in this one. I'll just open that one up. As you can see there. So even the back passengers get a bit of sunlight. You've got an heads-up display. I don't know if you can just see that. That pops up from the dash. Which basically tells you your miles an hour and so on. Really well appointed vehicle, this one inside. Obviously you've got the 4-wheel drive switch there. You can leave it in auto or different settings. If it's snowing, you can put it in snow setting or gravel, sand and so on. Dual side climate control. You can have them set at different temperatures. Obviously automatic. You have got, if you look there behind the steering wheel, you've got the flappy paddles. So you can use it as a manual as well. 8-speed manual. Or basically when you put it in automatic, it's just a normal CVT box. You got a little cursor pad here, which runs all your radio, does all that business up there. You can go through your apps and digital radios and so on. Clever car. Like I say, that'll also double up as your 360-degree camera. And you can just see that it's a bit hard with the sun. So you've got an overhead view of the vehicle at that side, and then you've got the rear view of that one. Once the car's in forward motion, you can actually press that button and it brings it back up, so you get a front view as well, so you can see how close you're getting to walls and curbs and so on with the front bumper. If you press it again, once you're getting close to the curb, it does a side view of the vehicle there, so you can see how close your alloy wheels are to the curb, which is another good safety feature. And then press it again and we're back to normal. Multi-function steering wheel. Once you've paired your phone to it, it turns it into an office basically, so you can respond to your text messages, WhatsApp messages. It's all fully voice activated, so basically you can tell the vehicle where you want to go as long as you know the postcode and so on, and it'll just download the route for you straight away, and then basically take over on the screen at the top of the dash there. This side here, this is your speed control, cruise control and adaptive cruise control. So quite a lot of stuff on the steering wheel on this one, but it's all safety features to make your driving experience a lot more pleasurable. Down there, as you'll notice, you've got a full house of buttons down here. You've got your heads-up display, which is the HUD button. Then you've got the brightness and the tilt on it. You've also got your traction control, where you can turn off your lane departure, which you can turn on and off, and you've also got your front collision mitigation button there, where you can turn off as well. Basically what that does, if you have no input into the car and you think you're going to have a crash, it'll take over and hopefully stop the vehicle in time so nobody's injured or hurt. Quite a lot of features on it. Like I said, it's as top of the range in the Eclipse that we do, and like I said, that opens as well. Get some nice fresh air in as opposed to using the aircon all the time. It's a good feature. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to arrange a test drive or reviewing, by all means just come down and give us a shout. Thanks for watching.